Today we're going to be talking about vitamin D and the impact that the sun has on our bodies with that vitamin D. I am Dr. Savannah Hobbs. I'm from the Stillness, Inflammation, and Wellness Center here in Huntsville, Texas. And I am a doctor of both functional and natural medicine. So my goal is to help my clients be educated on how to heal their bodies naturally. So one of the things that we're going to talk about today is vitamin D. So vitamin D is actually not a vitamin. It is a hormone that is produced in the body. So we get this from a few foods, but we mainly get this from the sun. This is our direct source. So we have been told not to go out in the sun, to cover ourselves because of skin cancer. Skin cancer, right? It's something that we all fear, but skin cancer tends to be on places of the body where the sun doesn't hit. And then, interesting enough, skin cancer really increased dramatically after the development of sunscreen. So the sunscreen was made in the 1930s and 40s, but between the 1800s and 1920, skin cancer wasn't really a thing, and it was very limited on the information of it. But since the 1940s, we go outside, we're told to put on our sunscreen to prevent that skin cancer, and we have seen a huge dramatic increase of skin cancer. And nowadays, they're actually linking that to the sunscreen and all those chemicals that are in there. So, why is vitamin D important? So vitamin D impacts every single cell in our body, every single one. So besides the cell's functions and bones, metabolism, immune system, yes, it affects every cell. So it affects every single body system that we have, including our nervous system, our brain, cardio, everything is affected with this vitamin or this hormone. So our natural intake, we mainly get this from the sun. So when the sun hits our skin, it goes into our veins and arteries, and it actually converts cholesterol to vitamin D. So I see a huge link because this hormone takes cholesterol and converts it to vitamin D. People with high cholesterol, I have noticed, tend not to be in the sun. And because of that, the cholesterol is just sitting there in the arteries and it's not being converted like it's supposed to be because you're not in that direct sunlight. So there are some people that have to take vitamin D supplements. Supplements are never the same as the real thing. They do not compare. They do not work exactly the same. So does your vitamin D supplement convert that cholesterol? No, not really. So what it actually does, one of the negative effects of that vitamin D supplement, it actually sits inside of your fat cells. So the more fat cells you have, the more vitamin D is just sitting inside of them instead of being used. So those people that also take that vitamin D supplement, if you're not taking it with a vitamin K, you're really not even using it properly for yourselves. So it's kind of like just sitting there, not doing anything. So if you have to take any supplement because you can't go outside, make sure that your vitamin D has a vitamin K supplement in it. But what do? Why waste money on vitamin D supplements? Why waste that? What is it, $30 a month for that? When all you need to do is actually go outside. Just start with a minimum of going outside for 15 to 30 minutes a day in direct sunlight. It's not going to help if you're under a shade tree, but try to get that direct sunlight. More is, of course, always better if you can get more, but make sure that you're going out in the sun every single day so your body is functioning and working properly. you will start to notice, you will start sleeping better, you will start noticing more energy, you will start noticing a lot of changes simply by going into the sun.